So just, you know, I know that you're not involved or whatever, but, you know, just remember, you know, when you go home at the end of the day, that the office that you're working for, it ruins innocent people's lives. This is a public service. But if you could patch me over to Samantha, that'd be great.
Hey, September 30th. I'm supposed to have a trial today, right? And as we saw with the hearing in the last one, if they can't produce something, Jesus Christ, man, get some water. If they can't produce something that says that the Chief Justice of the Arizona Supreme Court suspended Rule 8 in this case, this entire hearing is Kangaroo. It's all for show anyway, so I'm just going to clown them the whole time and then file a writ of mandamus to the Arizona Court of Appeals and get this Kangaroo shit on the road. Like, I was playing games with them, but now it's been like 5 or 6 months, so, you know what I'm saying? So.
All right, this is State of Arizona versus Lane Myers, case number CR24-009682. Would counsel state your appearance?
Samantha Walker for the state.
All right, the defendant appears over Zoom. For the defendant, did you want to have an attorney appointed to represent you in this matter?
Is this a different judge than was supposed to be here today?
Judge Foster has a jury trial. She will hear your trial in this matter, but she is currently in a jury trial today. Did you want to...
Thank you. Can you state your name for the record, sir?
I'm Judge Kendrick Wilson. Did you want to have an attorney appointed to represent you?
No, I think you should focus on having an attorney represented for Samantha Walker when I sue the fuck out of the dumb cunt. Is today my trial date or not?
Sir, interrupt me again and you're going to be in contempt.
Fuck you, cunt.
I'm going to set this for trial today. That's it, remove him.
See how you do that, guys? That's how you do that. That's how you make fake hearings last 15.
Yeah, we're gonna call Samantha Walker's office, see what's going on with the prosecution of Lane Myers. 520-724-5600.
Zero 724. Pima County Attorney's Office, how may I help you?
Hey, how you doing there?
Doing good.
Hello?
How are you?
I'm doing pretty good. What was your name?
My name is Samantha.
Hey, Samantha. You're not one of the prosecutors, are you, Samantha?
No, I'm just legal processing support.
Yeah, no, I just knew there's a Samantha Walker in that office, right?
I believe so, yes.
Yeah, so I just wanted to I didn't want to mistake you for her. So the reason for my call today is I'm calling because Lane Myers told me to give you guys a call. Are you familiar with who Lane Myers is?
I am not.
So Lane Myers is the man that Pima County is prosecuting for booing at the city council meeting. He booed while other people were clapping.
Oh, okay.
Are you familiar with that?
I am not.
Wow, really? You're not?
Yeah, no, unfortunately, I don't really pay attention to stuff like that.
Oh, wow, that's crazy. So how long have you been with the office there?
I just started.
Oh, okay. How long ago?
Like just this month.
Oh, wow. Is Joshua Moser available?
Unfortunately, he's, I think, in a couple meetings today, so he's been kind of in and out of the office.
Right. So, Samantha, do you know the public records process? Can I make a public records request with you? How does that work?
You could do it through our website. I know that for a fact, because we have like how you can get through it, who to email, stuff like that, on our Pima County Attorney's website.
Okay. So go through there. Best to go through there. What do you guys do? Or I guess not what do you guys do, but what can a litigant against you guys do when you guys don't follow the rules of criminal procedure? What's the option for the person being prosecuted? What should they do?
So he's the defendant. So he's being prosecuted by us, by our office. Yeah,
he's being prosecuted for, again. He was booing at a city council. He booed while other people were clapping. Like, I don't know if you know a lot about free speech, but you know that freedom of expression certainly falls under the speech category. And if one person can be happy about an event and say, "Oh yeah, I better clap," another person can be dissatisfied, and they're just as free to share, share that opinion in a boo. So I guess I was just trying to wrap my head around how the prosecution was still going on, even withstanding the fact that you guys have already violated the court rules.
No.
Yeah, wow.
Does he have a defense lawyer by chance?
Does he? No, he's a pro se idiot.
Oh. Because he can always contact the public defenders, and they would probably be able to give him more legal advice.
Oh no! I don't think he's looking for legal advice. I think he's trying to get the Kangaroo show under control. You know what I mean? It's kind of crazy. What do you think about that? If you were booing at a city council meeting because you were upset about something and you got arrested, that'd be messed up, wouldn't it?
I wouldn't really want to, I'm not very interested in going to those, so
right.
I don't really have an opinion about that.
Well, you take public dollars, right? You can certainly understand that people that take public dollars are under, a heightened level of scrutiny, right? So some people, they do go to those meetings because they want to, they want to act as a check on the government, on the use of their money. You know what I mean?
What is it? Is it a public dollar the American bill?
No. Public dollars. People want to pay, your salary, for example. You want to take public dollars. The prosecutor, the judge, they want to take public dollars, but they don't want to face public scrutiny. The mayor, for instance, got upset because he booed when people clapped. She takes public dollars. She gets paid by the public, but doesn't want to face the scrutiny from the public. You know what I mean?
Oh, okay.
It's the First Amendment. Are you familiar with the First Amendment?
Which is the freedom to speak, right?
Well, that's one of them. Yeah, freedom of speech is one of them. There's 5 freedoms secured to us by the First Amendment. Do you happen to know what all 5 of them are?
Not really, no. Not on the top of my head.
Yeah, so there's an acronym that I use to kind of keep it straight because it is important, certainly important when you're working in government, because you have to remember first that these are the rights that you swore to protect, right? This is what you swore to do first. Before you swore to uphold the laws of Arizona, you guys swore to protect the people's rights. So the acronym is RAPS, RAPPS. It's religion, assembly, petition, press, and speech. So it's not just speech that we're guaranteed by the First Amendment. It's more than that. We're guaranteed that right to tell the government that we're not happy with what they're doing, and if that happens to be in the form of, God forbid, a boo, I think that the people should be certainly permitted to do that without fear of criminal prosecution, after the fact. What do you think?
I don't really have an opinion because I'm not very educated in that way.
What's your position again?
I'm just like a receptionist. I just answer calls. That's all I do.
You just answer calls for the prosecutor's office, or do you answer for more than just the prosecutor's office?
Just for the prosecuting office. So I just answer calls and direct the calls to the divisions. That's all I do.
Right on. So, is Samantha Walker available?
Let me see. So it says her presence unknown, so I don't know if she's at her desk or not. But I can definitely get you transferred over to her.
I appreciate that, Samantha, and you've been a delight.
So sorry I couldn't help. I'm not this is like a new job. I don't know much.
Yeah, well, if this is the first phone call that you've gotten today in regards to Lane Myers, I hope that if you get other calls that the people are friendly. But I guess just if you're brand new at this job, expect people to call up sometimes and not be very happy with the things that office is doing, and maybe just be cognizant that they might not be yelling at you. Or they might be yelling at you, but they're taking out their aggression on you when it's really directed somewhere else. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I can understand that. You get frustrated and you need to expel it, but unfortunately, I'm going to be the person they're going to be yelling at.
Right? Yeah. No. Exactly. And it's because that office ruins people's lives. It ruins innocent people's lives. So just, I know that you're not involved or whatever, but, just remember, when you go home at the end of the day, that the office that you're working for, it ruins innocent people's lives. But if you could patch me over to Samantha, that'd be great.
Of course. I could definitely get you sent over.
Thanks so much.
You've reached Deputy County Attorney Samantha Walker, misdemeanor supervisor. Please leave your name, case number, and a brief message, and I will return your call as soon as I am able. If you are defense counsel, please consider emailing me, as I might be able to answer you sooner. If you do not leave your case number and your name, I cannot return your call. Thank you and have a great day.
Please leave a message at the tone. When finished, you may hang up or press pound for additional options.
Hey Samantha, my name's Foshin. You can give me a call at 904-364-1949. I'm calling because Lane Myers told me to give you a call. I'm wondering why you guys are still pursuing this ridiculous case where he boos at a city council meeting when other people are clapping. It doesn't seem like it's very viewpoint neutral. And I know that you guys swore an oath to, uphold the Constitution and stuff. So I'm just wondering, maybe you guys fell and bumped and hit your head or something. And so I'm just calling to maybe help you get your mind right on what you're doing here. So give me a call back. Again, my number is 904-364-1949. Thanks and have a great day. We're out here today to ensure our natural rights are respected by those who swore an oath to support, protect, and defend the rights of the people. The purpose of all interactions is to peacefully promote government accountability and transparency. Please like, share, and subscribe so this message can reach as many people as possible. I implore you, to peacefully seek redress to any and all of your grievances. This is a public service.